She's getting in your doggy bed. Not so close. Hi, puppy. Yeah, just pretend to go in the doggy bed. It's really super gross. Hey, Miss Emily. Good job. Oh, it's a sleepy puppy. Sleepy puppy. I don't know where Zach is. I picked him up, but somehow in the car ride home I lost him. But I ended up with Chumley too. Hey, Miss M. Oh, where are you going? I know where you're going. You think it's funny? Where you going, girl? You gonna go up the stairs too, puppy? Oh, you got the egg. Miss Emily.